Imagine it's day one of a global conflict. Thousands of American tanks, fighter jets, and massive warships are ready to move. But there's a problem. They are all stationary. Within 48 hours, the most powerful military in history runs completely dry. No fuel, no power, no movement. This isn't a hypothetical nightmare. It's a logistical reality. The US military consumes more fuel than most medium-sized countries, but you'll never see a fighter jet at a local gas station. Behind the scenes, there is a hidden, multi-billion-dollar network that keeps the gears of war turning.
An M1 Abrams tank gets about 0.6 miles per gallon. A single carrier strike group requires millions of gallons of fuel just to stay on mission. If the supply chain breaks for even a few days, the front line collapses. This is the Achilles heel of the American superpower. But how do you move millions of gallons of highly flammable liquid through active war zones without being blown up? You can't just rely on trucks. They are slow, vulnerable, and easy targets. The solution had to be invisible, resilient, and massive in scale. Enter the Defense Logistics Agency, or DLA. They manage a global fuel network that most people don't even know exists. It starts with thousands of miles of secret pipelines buried deep underground, stretching across continents and hidden beneath civilian infrastructure. These pipelines lead to pre-positioned stocks. These are massive underground steel catacombs located in strategic spots like Guam, Japan, and Germany. Some of these tanks are large enough to fit a skyscraper inside.